Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Mini Munch, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to talk to you guys about all things about my cucumbers. Just like the video that I recently posted about my beans, it's going to be the same statistic but with cucumbers. I have some exciting action going on with my cucumbers, and so I would love to show you guys what I did in the process, how they looked about a week ago, and how do they look now. So if you want to know all the details behind this, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, just like my beans, they were started on November the 2nd, year 2021 in pea pellets, and 3 days went by and they germinated and they were starting to give their true leaves. And so once I saw those key points, I transplanted them out in these green nursery containers, and that's been their home for about a week or so, and then they got transplanted out in the ground, as you guys saw when I made a video called Planting Cucumbers, and you guys were able to see how small those cucumber plants are, and right now they're looking amazing. And so I love pea pellets. I did, once again in the video, I explained different methods on how to do seed starting, because I know some of my viewers from the UK told me that pea pellets and any pea products weren't going to be available over there, and so I decided to give you guys different alternatives that were all going to work amazing and great for it. And so I just tend to use pea pellets because they retain moisture, and moisture actually helps the plant or the seed germinate 2 times faster. And so I really love the Mini Munch Cucumbers. They gave me the option to choose what I wanted. I don't want these huge oversized cucumbers, because I know from other vegetable content creators, I saw that there's a specific time point you have to do it, because one day passes and then they'll be overripe. So I don't want that to happen. So I want these Mini Munch Cucumbers, and I'm excited to grow them. I'm super excited. So Ultimate Gardeners, talking about what I did to take care for my cucumbers, it's super simple. Like, I never grew cucumbers myself, but actually knowing how to grow them now, they're super easy to take care of. You plant them in a full sun location where they can receive 6+ hours of direct sun. When I planted my cucumbers, I recommended to you guys that if you live in a humidic, high levels of heat area where drainage could possibly be a problem for you guys, I planted my cucumbers with 1 inch of a lip above the soil surface, so it could cause drainage to go through more easier and to not damp off the seedling, because they were baby plants when I planted them out in the ground. And so that's a huge thing you need to do. But when it comes to watering, you can water 1 time every 3 to 4 days based on how your soil is. I don't have to water mine because the soil already contains a lot of moisture, and every morning always humidity builds up, and so that's not a necessary thing for me. Fertilizing, I do recommend you fertilize the ground before planting them. So you drop a little bit of worm castings or spoma plant tone or garden tone into the hole before planting them, so they can get a little bit of energy and protein and nutrients they need to grow on. I didn't do that, and they're looking amazing, so it's up to you if you want to do it. Fertilizing is an option. Second, you want to put a support system. This is a huge thing. I did the mistake of planting my cucumbers. They started growing this way, and my trellis was behind them, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it to trellis them up backwards. But you do want to put some type of support system, because these vines really do need it, because they could get pretty big and also top heavy based on how big the cucumbers are gonna grow. So now talking about how they look today. Today it's only been 2 weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and they are looking amazing. Like, it just blows my mind to see how fast time goes, and you already are ready to receive produce. Yes, my cucumber plants already are setting their female flowers to give me my cucumbers, and I'm super excited. The vines are pretty small, they're like this big, and they're already setting male and female flowers, so we can have cross-pollination equally, and we can have our cucumbers set amazing. I do want to make a series with cucumbers as well on how to hand pollinate a harvest. There's no need of storing. So in the beans, I am making a video on how to store your beans, because those you do need to store. But in replacement of the storing, I'm gonna show you guys how to hand pollinate your cucumbers if pollinators are not around your garden as often. So I'm super excited until I get my first official cucumber. I'm definitely gonna record the process in which I do that. But today's day, they look amazing and they are just growing and growing non-stop, like if tomorrow wasn't even a day. So let me go ahead and wrap this video up. So ultimate gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, in this video, I covered how I grew my cucumber seedlings, how I care for them, and how they look today. So drop a comment down below, what's your favorite variety of cucumber to grow up, because I am super open to growing new varieties every single year. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.